I was just sent these 2 pink cedar trees. These things are so cute. They actually be able to use indoor or outdoor. So you can set these things up just out in your sunroom or even outside as like a nice, pretty decoration. Or if you wanted to wait till Christmas and decorate it with some little snow around here, maybe put it up for some snow on the leaves and things like that and make it more festive, you can do that. I mean, Valentine's Day, there are so many cute different ways that you can use these trees, and you can mold these little branches any way you want, because trees, they're all different, so you can just make them all look however you feel like you want to put them. They do not require any sort of pruning or anything because it is just a little plastic thing here. And they are UV rated, so you can keep these things out in the sun, in the wind, rain, and all of that, and it will be able to withstand it all. So I'm going to shape up these little trees, and we are going to put them outside. They are 3 foot high, and you can either keep them in this pot or you can put them in a decorative pot and make it your own. So I put these outside my front door, and these look really cute, even as a nice little welcome area. So you come into your house and you have just a cute little decorative plant. They can go, like I said, really anywhere and would be so cute with little Christmas ornaments on them or a little fake snow, some nice big decorative pots. Any area, they would look really great.